Do you want to control who can send you messages on Quora app? In this video, I will show you how to manage your messaging privacy settings on Quora step by step, so you can decide exactly who is allowed to contact you. This helps reduce spam, unwanted messages, and keeps your experience on Quora more comfortable. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do is to go to Quora app. In this page, you have to click on the sign on above of profile, as you see home here, profile. Then in this list you will find settings. Down here, settings, you will tap on settings. After that, in this page you will go to privacy. You will tap on privacy here. And then in this page of privacy, you will find this window of inbox preferences, who can send you messages, and you can control it or manage it here. In that way, you can choose anyone on Quora or people I follow and admins and moderators of spaces I follow, or no one can message you on Quora app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.